Let's learn how you can easily activate these glass-looking icons on iOS 26. Glass icons are a new visual style introduced in iOS 26 that makes app icons appear as if they are made of translucent, glossy, and reflective glass. They reflect the colors of the background and dynamically respond to ambient light and motion. It's really easy to enable these icons. And first of all, you have to make sure that you're running the newest iOS 26 software update on your iPhone, since this is a new feature. Now, you'll want to go on your home screen and then long press anywhere on the screen until your icons start shaking and they enter this wiggle mode. You're going to find and tap this edit option located at the top left corner of the screen, and then click on this customize option. This will open a menu where you can select between a light or dark mode for your icons. But if you're running iOS 26, you'll be able to see this clear option. So just click on this, and then your app icons will become transparent, and they'll have a glass-like texture. It will look really cool with some colorful wallpapers which you put on your home screen. So just enjoy. And if you need more similar tutorial videos like this one, then make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more iOS and iPhone tips and tricks. And I will see you soon.